Are you looking for the best wood joiner? In this video, we will break down the top 4 wood jointers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Powermatic 1791317K joiner. The inserts require no adjustment once they are installed. If a knife insert becomes nicked by a nail or any metallic bit embedded in the wood, the user can simply rotate the insert for a fresh edge and continue working. Oversized in-feed and out-feed tables are mounted in dovetailed ways for strength and stability. The fence is 38 inches long, with positive stops at 90 degrees and 45 degrees right and left. The in-feed and out-feed tables are likewise ground to perfect smoothness, because if the joiner ain't straight, neither will the wood coming off of it. With the fine/quick adjustment tool on the in-feed table, users can easily set up their cut for depth. That's great for being able to use longboards, not so great if space in the workshop is at a premium. OSHA requires dust collection systems capable of moving 450 cfm. The Powermatic has a 4-inch dust port that connects to vacuum systems for dust removal. At number 2. Powermatic 1610086K joiner. It's a massive bench joiner that is made to withstand even the toughest jobs using the hardest wood. Measuring 21 to 13 inches, the base cabinet is 100% steel for additional stability. It has a 1 horsepower, 1 pH, 115 volt motor that has been tested in the factory and real-life situations to ensure that the power is there for any type of project. The quickset knife system ensures a smooth and accurate cut each time you fire up this bench joiner and start cutting through the wood. The precisely ground fence is made from cast iron parts that offer additional stability and security during the cutting process, allowing to move of large pieces of lumber or hardwood species with ease. At number 3. Jet JJ8HH Helical Head Joiner. This is one of the best wood joiners because it gets many things right and does things right. It has a large bench top that will accommodate all your material and come equipped with a helical insert cutter head that will trim wood confidently and accurately. All of this is driven by a heavy-duty motor that sends a smooth and constant torque to the knives. The included 4 inches dust port fits an industry-standard dust collection system, and the system is very stable in operation, with no vibrations. At 521 pounds, it is kind of expected. At number 4. Jet 708457DXK JJ6CSDX joiner. This is the best joiner for a home shop. It offers one of the longest cutting surfaces in its class and features an exclusive auto-set knife system for a quick change of any dull blades. An all-enclosed steel base cabinet adds stability on most surfaces, however, the machine produces more vibrations. Despite this slight drawback, this unit is exceptional. It produces wonderful, silky smooth cuts and even comes with a 1/8 inch positive lock for the cut depth, a feature designed to keep inexperienced woodworkers from cutting too deep. Consistent 6000 RPM also provides an excellent balance between speed and material removal, improving results.